38. So we got all to the test. It's supposed to be 38 in the tissue holder. Yep, it's perfect. Yep, it's perfect. Yes, sir. I think I messed it up. Yep. This one had to bring the bottom. The bottom I have to come over just a little bit. Cut a little more out. Cut a little more off the bottom, that'll be good. Perfect. So I had cut a little more at the bottom, and now it's perfect. Yep, that's it. Now we gotta do a screw it now.